Hello students, I have choose the location that is the Sundarban mangrove forest which is located in the southwest of the Bangladesh between the river Baleshwar in the east and the Haribanga in the west, which is adjoining to the Bay of Bengal. It is the largest mangrove forest in the world. It covers about 10,000 kilometers per square in the delta of Ganges and lies in the southeast of the Kolkata and borders of the Bay of Bengal. Here, biotic factors include mangrove plants, species of algae, fungi, lichens, fishes, amphibians, reptile, birds, and mammals. Here, abiotic factors include about 80% of heavy rainfall and humidity due to the nearness of Bay of Bengal. The temperature is about 34 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Here, the soil contains about 4 to 10% of organic matter. The pH is about 5.3 to 10.8. Also,